Wait. Wait a minute. Is that still rain outside? Ain't no way it's still raining. What is? Wait a minute. What's that up there? Ah! Sonic! 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 Are you okay? Tails, is Sonic gonna be okay? I don't know. It looks like in a few minutes he's about to flatline. What? Sonic, you can't flatline. You have to survive this. I'm doing everything in my power to keep him alive, but it's too hard. Sonic, I don't want you to die. A minute. Why is heart rate going higher? Wait a minute. That's a little bit too high. Guys, run! Whoa, what is going on? Sonic, you're back. Oh no, Tails! Sonic, what's going on with you? I don't know. I'm sorry, Tails, but I can't control my speed. Guys, we need to find a way to restrict him, but I don't know how. What about I go punch him? No, Knuckles, he's too fast for you. He'll probably run right through you. Yeah, Knuckles, and you can't even keep up when he's base Sonic. So how do we get him out of that? We go to the only guy that can. You're not thinking of who I'm thinking of, right? Come on, I hate that guy so much. Sorry, guys, but we need Shadow. You spawned me in by saying my name. Now, what do you want, Fox? Oh, so basically Sonic is out of control and he can't control his speed because he got struck by lightning. And now he looks like he has lightning all over his body and now he is red. Okay, so what do you want me to do about it? I want you to catch up to him, knock him out, so we can put him in restraints. I mean, I am faster than that blue hedgehog, so, I guess I could do this. He's definitely gonna get Sonic for sure. Come on, Sonic, slow down. Can't even control your own speed. You are an embarrassment to Hedgehog kind. An embarrassment? An embarrassment? I'll show you an embarrassment. Wait a minute, why is he so fast? Oh no, shoot! Sorry, Shadow, I didn't mean to do that. He defeated me. Wait a minute, Shadow, this might be a little risky. But what if you do the same thing that Sonic did? He got struck by lightning. What? I guess I suppose that could work. I'm gonna go to the window. Well, here goes nothing. Wait. Oh, shoot! Come on, Shadow, we need this to work. Wait a minute, Tails, his vitals are dropping. Well, let's back away like the first time, Tails. Let's go. Sonic, I am ready for you. You got this, Shadow. Dang right, I got this. Now where is this stupid hedgehog at? Oh, hey, Shadow. Well, let's see how fast you really are. Okay, bet. Then let's go. Ow! That's it. Why you little? That's it, Shadow. No, Shadow, I don't want to fight. Shadow, I don't want to fight by my body. It appears that you do. Now let's go. Shadow, please, I don't want this. Ow, my head. It appears that I'm back in my normal shape. Yeah, whatever, Shadow. I'm about to go get some chili dogs. Bye. The things I do for my supposed friends. And what's up, guys? Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, cause our goal is 100 subscribers. And by the way, guys, join our Discord, like the comments. And yeah, peace, guys.